Okay, so I've rethreaded my needle with a wingspan, and now I'm going to review how to apply the back tack with the back stitch. So the back stitch is a very strong stitch. It's a stitch that, along with back tacks, is required for all of our other sewing and expressions. How this works is that at the number 1, we're going to start with a much smaller back tack, and then we're going to sew the back stitch all the way around the worksheet. So I've already started with my back tack. I actually have one more stitch to go to finish the 3rd stitch of my back tack before I can begin my back stitch. So just for review, my back stitch is made up of 3 stitches that are repeated through the same spots. They're the same stitch length that my sewing is going to be, and when I finish at the bottom of the paper. So you'll notice that there are a series of X's and dots. The dots are where I'm going to put my needle through. The X's is where I'm going to go back. So now that my needle is at the bottom of my paper, I'm going to go through the bottom to a dot. Pull my thread. Now I'm going to bring my needle back to an X and pull. I'm going to go from the bottom of my paper up ahead to a dot and bring my needle back through an X. So up through a dot, and I'm getting close, not exactly, and back through an X. To take a pause and flip this paper over, you can see that in the back, these look like a continuous line of stitches that overlap each other. That's what makes this stitch very strong, is a reinforced continuous stitch. Now, what you're going to do is to continue doing the back stitch all the way around your paper, and then you're going to finish with a back tack. So cut a long wingspan of thread and finish it up.